So, got a box, got a knife, and it's a Monday. It's time for Mailbag Monday! It's only one box today, but you know what? It still amazes me. It's been over 6 months. We've only had like 2 Mondays where we didn't have a Mailbag Monday. And I think one of those was just because of time constraints. It wasn't even a packaging thing. So you awesome people have been sending us stuff for 6 months, which is awesome. And we appreciate it.
Oh, I just poked myself in the eye.
What?
I just poked myself in the eye. Ow.
On camera? That's awesome. There goes our ratings through the roof. Everybody's going to be watching replays of you poking yourself in the eye, because I'll just edit you poking yourself in the eye, like boink,
That's
boink.
Amazing.
It'll be fun. So anyway, we got one box today, and we're going to be opening that up. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D. So let's crack this thing open. This is from Tom. He is known as Llama 3D in the interwebs. Everybody sends us these weird boxes that I'm not sure how to open. So I'm just going to keep cutting tape until the box opens up. So when Tom sends us stuff, it's always cool stuff that he's made or printed, which is exciting. Did I not cut enough tape?
Yeah, there's still...
My knife's falling apart.
Oh, well, that's amazing.
We need a dedicated Mailbag Monday knife.
That's black and yellow.
It's black and yellow. This is kind of a home-built box by the looks of it. So I'm just going to cut all the tape.
There's tape all over it.
Thanks, Tom. And what you don't realize is when you open up, it's just going to be another box that's taped shut.
Yeah.
All right, try to get that open. Ooh. That's some fancy box folding skills he's got there. Oh, look, he sent us a Bondtech extruder. That's so... Oh, read letter first. But this is a great opportunity to give a quick shout out to Bondtech, who is one of our sponsors of the FK1 project. Holy cow, Tom. Did you write us an encyclopedia? He did write it big, though. Okay. Few know the true story of how one evening every year, the Fun King 3D hides in a deep and dark country basement and reverts from his public facade as a happy and joyous, yellow and bubbly Fun King to an orange-faced, frightening, and scary creature. Should we dim the lights for this?
No.
A form he was before he met and married the lovely Fun Queen 3D. It's seldom seen, and the few who have actually heard the rumors dare not believe.
This is scary.
But it's true, I tell you, as I happen to capture an image and have made a replica so that others can be warned in the future that the evil Pumpkin King is real. Okay, he tries really, really hard to be scary, but honestly, he's still kind of cute. He's still kind of a cute little pumpkin head. That's what I call Xander, my cute little pumpkin head. Both our Amazon Basics PETG. The little one is a very first ever, somewhat successful PETG ever to come off the Max Micron. Was never able to print PETG on that printer, and have tried last year for months with a half dozen brands of filament to no avail. I see 3D. I see 3D.
I honestly want to know what this is.
Installed the Capricorn 3mm outer diameter tube in the MK8 hot end last month and decided to try again, and poof, it works rather well, actually.
I want to know what this face is. Like, is it a snake?
It's like a vampire face.
Interesting. Okay.
I love the fact that you sent that in a Bondtech extruder box. Open it carefully.
Oh, God. We can trade. Let's trade.
Oh, this is so awesome. I gotta get the camera over here. Get the camera over
it has little fangs.
Yeah, I can't see that. So that little guy is painted. And here's the big one. Yeah, he does have little fangs in there. That's so funny. His crown is like a little bit kicked to the side.
And then his eyes are like evil.
Oh, that's so funny, Tom. These are awesome. These are so awesome. These will have to definitely go up on the shelf with.
Darn it. Just gotta check all the pieces of styrofoam.
Want to make sure there's no notes in there?
Mm-hmm.
That's so awesome. Thank you, Tom, for sending that. Those are awesome. Those are totally, totally awesome.
They're both totally awesome.
And now Xander has something to do to play with the foam. So
No, I'm looking at the phone to see if there's any notes.
I will have links down in the description so you guys can find Tom. He's a very talented person, and he's very fun to talk to.
Nope, nothing.
And now we have another Bondtech box.
I'm not cleaning this up. I'm sorry.
Except for it's got scribbling all over it. What do you mean you're not cleaning it up? You made the mess.
No, I didn't.
Thank you guys. If you want to send us something, there is an address down in the description. Of course, it is not required. We don't demand that you send it.
But the Pumpkin King will.
But the Pumpkin King might come and get you if you don't. No. We thank you for watching. We love the fact that you guys tune in. If you haven't yet done it, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. And, of course, a thumbs up is always appreciated as well. So we interrupt this broadcast to bring you the fact that we got another box. So this actually just arrived. It was sent here to the house by none other than Uncle Ron. And I did know there was a box coming. I know of kind of one thing that's in here, and I asked him, I said, is the box you're sending mailbag or not mailbag? And he said, well, this piece is not mailbag and the rest is. And I said, that's not the way it works. It's all or nothing.
You didn't cut it.
So I pretended like I did.
Yeah, but that's not how it works.
Yeah, but I don't want to cut through what's inside. I did cut it. You just didn't pull in the box. You're weak. Glitter bomb. Paper for miles and miles. That's actually what he sent you. He sent you this paper.
Ooh, yeah, paper. That's you guys.
Fun King 3D, Glenn and Xander. That's you guys.
Ooh.
I like stuck it shut too. Like that's the part that was actually not
for mailbag.
Mailbag, but you know, like we don't open them and pick and choose. Oh. Holy cow! Write me a book. Let me get my glasses.
It's Maker for your swag.
Hey, Glenn and Xander, that's you guys. Really miss you guys at World Maker Fair, New York, but so you wouldn't miss out completely, I picked up some stuff for you. I didn't think of it until the second day, but I collected 2 sets of paperwork or stickers from the booths I visited on Sunday, so I could send a set your way. I also managed to get a second sample of Filament. Oh, that's exciting! Filament. Okay, we'll get to that in a second. So you can try it too. I hope I guessed close on Xander's shirt size. No comment. I didn't have a guess on Zach's, and I refuse to guess at any woman's size, especially one I consider a friend and want to keep. So I will have to find something for Grisilla and Zach next time. The book is for you and Grisilla, though I think she is more likely to read it. Yeah, I can't read. Well, I mean, I can't read for entertainment. Obviously, I can read, but...
I can't read this note. Reads it.
And then it says over. Thanks for being the fantastic people that you are. Keep up the great work. I can't wait to see you all again for Orlando Maker Faire next month. Give everyone my best. See you soon, Uncle Ron. Uncle Ron, you are the kindest person I know in the whole entire world.
We have Maker Faire shirts.
All right. So this one is mine because it's an XL.
I guess this
and
one's
you're not.
mine then.
What size is that?
I don't know.
Small, like you, yeah. No, that'll work for you just fantastically.
I think this is the filament.
That's Brew cement. That's not even just filament. That's Brew cement. That is Brew's in-house made filament. That is so exciting. Well, that's a lot of stuff.
That is a lot of stuff. So we have this.
The map. Yeah, we can't go through every bit of this. There's an awful lot here. We got all kinds of stickers and some brochures. This is stuff that we're just gonna have to go through on our own. There is a ton of stuff. This is heavy, whatever this is.
It's a
Epilogue laser engraving cutting.
I like
God, I want a laser cutter so bad. This is too cool, Uncle Ron. Thank you so much for sending this. What?
I'm just looking if they had an R2-D2 section.
I don't remember. Here's the robot arena back here. So.
Yeah, the drone stuff.
Thank you for that, Uncle Ron. I'm glad that it showed up. I was actually in the process of editing this video when it showed up, but I hadn't exported it yet. I was right to the end, right where this is going in. So it worked out perfectly. Thank you, and we now return you to your regular scheduled edit. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, print on.